Hey friends, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make a rekenrek. Now a rekenrek is used to help compose numbers or add numbers together. Okay, so what you will need is 2 pipe cleaners and some cereal like Fruit Loops or Cheerios, anything that you can stick the pipe cleaners to. Now Ms. Blank didn't have Fruit Loops or Cheerios, so I use Lucky Charms, and I use the ones that have the small little hole in the middle. Okay. All right, so this is what the rekenrek is gonna look like when you are done. Okay, 2 pipe cleaners and the cereal. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to make it, because on Flipgrid you will be using this to add numbers together and to compose numbers. Okay, so this is how you make it. All right, so you get your pipe cleaner and you take cereal and then you just stick it through there, and you're gonna put 10 at the top. So let's count together. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6 doesn't want to go in. 6, there we go. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you get your rekenrek. And you'll be able to move the cereal around. Okay, let's count them one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Great job. All right. So you're going to do the same thing with the bottom. You're going to get the other pipe cleaner, just like this. You're going to take it and you're going to connect the end of it, just like this. Twist it. Okay? Then you're going to get 10 more and put it at the bottom. Ready? Just like this. Just like this. That's 1. 2. Oops, can't see me. We flip it around, it's easier that way. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 6. See, the 6 again doesn't want to come on. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Come on, Tam. There you go. All right, so we got 10 at the top and 10 at the bottom. Then you take the other side and you wrap it around just like that. And then make sure all of them are on the same side. And now you have your rekenrek. So you will be using this on Flipgrid. I'm going to show you how to use this rekenrek to compose numbers and how to add numbers together. Okay? All right, I'll see you on Flipgrid.